everyone, what's up? My name is Aditi and I welcome you all to my channel. I've been hearing a lot about ChatGPT nowadays and I thought of making a video on a trending topic today. Let's learn how ChatGPT can help us to learn English. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use ChatGPT to learn English, especially if you're learning English alone at home. If you were a beginner, I'll also tell you whether ChatGPT is perfect for you or not. And also we will see whether ChatGPT can replace the traditional way of learning English or our English tutors. Let's get started. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence, in short, AI chat box developed by OpenAI. So you can say it's a robot. It's a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversation and much more. But today we'll only focus on how ChatGPT can be resourceful to us, especially when we are learning English. ChatGPT can be very valuable if you're learning English alone at home. For example, you can simply ask ChatGPT to search a meaning of a word for you. For example, take a word, cosmopolitan. As you can see that ChatGPT has shared the meaning of the word cosmopolitan. Not only this, if you ask ChatGPT to share some examples using the word cosmopolitan, it can also show you some great results. Also, when we struggle to learn the synonyms of the words or remember the synonyms, it can also help us with the synonyms as well. Let's take an example of a word, cheerful, and let's see how ChatGPT can help us. Let's take a word afraid just to double check. See, it can be really beneficial for us. It can give you all the best results that it has. Not only this, ChatGPT can also help us to learn a lot of conversations of different situations. Like if you're struggling to have a conversation at a metro station or at a restaurant, let's see how ChatGPT can help us. Simply type conversation at a metro station or conversation at a restaurant. Let's see how ChatGPT is helping us. As you can see that ChatGPT can deliver the result in some seconds. Now let's see whether ChatGPT can correct our English or not. Sometimes while speaking English, we make a lot of grammatical errors, and if you want ChatGPT to correct it, just type the sentence or the phrase and ask ChatGPT to correct it for you. Like here I have typed, I am agreed, and this phrase is wrong. Why? It will also show you the result. Next, let's go with another phrase. Again, why does you do this? This phrase is also wrong, and why it is wrong, it will show you. Let's say you have a problem with a particular grammar topic. You want to know the uses of past perfect tense. So you can ask ChatGPT to show you what is past perfect tense or how to use past perfect tense in a sentence, and it will show it. If you're having a problem to understand some particular phrases, idioms, or sentences, you can also copy paste it and ask ChatGPT to tell you the meaning of that particular idiom, expression, or a phrase. Let me show you some examples. GPT to give you some examples and add some points on that particular topic, like this. But you have to remember a few things. This is an AI language model to assist and provide information based on the knowledge it's been trained on. And it's simply not for beginners. Why? Because it stops you from critical thinking and to bring out your uniqueness and sound creative. Creative thinking and critical thinking is one of the most important parts of human brain. And using ChatGPT to do all your works can definitely destroy your natural abilities. As a beginner of an English learning journey, you will find problems to find out the errors when you write a sentence. And in such cases, it is always advised to use verified sources for your information, especially when you want to learn anything related to English or English grammar. ChatGPT can sometimes provide you something which is not correct. As I have already stated, that ChatGPT is an AI tool and sometimes it can make mistakes. So if you're trying to learn the theoretical concepts of English, then I'll tell you to always use some verified websites. You must take it as a tool to guide you to sound and write better instead of copy-pasting. Especially when you're writing and you want to correct your mistakes and you really need a quick solution to fix it, then ChatGPT can be amazing. But in case of speaking and pronunciation, you may need some extra resources. If you want to practice English alone at home, at some certain scenarios, ChatGPT can be really helpful. As there's no human interaction, ChatGPT cannot replace your mentor or your trainer. Sometimes the thing that our trainers and our mentors can teach us, our technology can't. So I feel to learn something, we must go back to the traditional ways of learning it, as those are known as the most beneficial ways. And to learn a language, what I feel is that human interaction is irreplaceable. Let me know what you think about ChatGPT in the comment section below. If you think that this video is informative, do give it a like. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it for more such contents. I'll see you all again very soon in the next video. Until next time, stay connected and keep practicing.